Oh, wow, this looks good. You've done some work.
Oh yeah.
I'm guessing you're louder with your seats up?
Yeah.
Have you tried taking one of them out?
I ain't done enough testing.
Yeah. Oh, solid door. Nice job. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick first, man?
Oh yeah, it's Logan Gant. It's we'll start with electrical. We got a 300 XL alternator, feeding a 240 amp hour lithium.
Okay. Yep.
Feeding 4 DefMods AAB 7900s and 8 Sundown U series 12s.
Nice.
All wired to half ohm.
And these are, so you have 8, but you're ready to do 16.
Yeah, eventually gonna do 16.
Wow.
By the end of the year.
What is your tuning on this?
Peak's about 51.
51, okay.
Yeah.
And you're wired to what on the amps?
Wired to about half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. Awesome.
Yeah. Get it fired up for you.
Appreciate it. Looks good, man. You did a good job. What is your ratio on this?
It's a 4-to-1 ratio.
Okay. And you actually drive this thing. Wow.
Oh yeah, it's a daily drive.
Looks good. Daily driver.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Hey, we get the iPad dash on.
Looks really good.
We're gonna turn it on for you.
Sure. This looks good. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Woo. Yeah, your subs are taking some power, man.
Oh yeah, I got 14.
I can smell the smoke on them, so I'm worried I don't want you to blow anything.
Yeah, we busted the bolts in that bottom back one on the left earlier doing
Wow. Dude, you're definitely doing like 62, 63s on music. You're doing I really appreciate the demo. Awesome job, man. Wow.
Yeah, I got an iPad dash too.
Very nice. Homeless.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you good. Good to go? Yep.
Nice. That's a good score. So what's the left number?
It was supposed to be the glass, I believe. I think the right's the kick, and I think the left side's the glass.
Yeah, it's an AI feature. Yeah. Every time I Alright, now we should be good. I'm going slow and let's see if it works.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.